Hello everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to understand, or we are going to practical on how to make countdown timer using Python programming language. So without wasting further time, let's begin with the code. So first of all, you have to import a time module. What is time module? I'll tell you later, as like for example, as the name suggests, Python time modules allows to work with time in Python. It allows functionality like getting the current time or local time and pausing the program for from execution. So before starting with this module, we need to import it. That's why we have import this time module. Now def countdown, we have to make defining a function by countdown user underscore time semicolon. Now we have to use while statement user time equals to 0. So this is the condition. Main minutes, we have to minutes and seconds as well equals to div. We have to use div mod function also. Why we are using div mod function? Because it returns a tuple containing the question and remainder. Okay, so user time comma 60. Yeah, now enter timer equals to, now we have to this colon 0 to d, now colon, again we have to use curly braces for minutes and second format. That is why we are using 0 to d dot format. What is the format we are using for? Like minutes and seconds. Yeah, now print timer and equals to backslash r. This is a raw string. Now enter time dot sleep. Why we are using time dot sleep here? Because it provides a delay. Now user time minus equals to 1. Now print lift now if we are using if statement also here, name now this. So after coding this whole code, we have to run this code for a while for just checking it is working or not. So finally it's working. Enter a time in a second. So let me give seconds of 5. Let me put enter. So it is providing like 5 4 3 2 1. So a big surprise for you guys. Finally, our like this code is working for the countdown timer. So let me wish you a very